to seem unfair and do everything but losing. Must be people pleasing. Could be here all night, what you giving me? Unsolicited advice of an honest talking is exhausting. If you want interruption, if you got a problem, I can hear my later. You can send it to my private time. Tell me what you think about me. I'll get back to you later. You do me what? What's good, Central? My name is Lapid. I'm so excited to be with you tonight. But I'm gonna need your help for this next part. Can you guys help me out? Alright, I'm gonna be doing this by splitting the crowd in half. So decide which side you guys are on. This side, I'm gonna teach a line that you're gonna chant with me first. So, your line is your toxicity. Repeat after me when I say your toxicity. Woo! That was really bad. We're gonna try that again. And your toxicity. Your toxicity. Woo! That was a lot better. All right, this side. I wonder if you can be louder when you say, wasn't it for me? Wasn't it for me? All right, that was really, really good. But I think we could be even louder. Ready? And wasn't it for me? Wasn't it for me? I think these guys are so much louder than this side. Alright, I'm gonna point to your side, and then you're gonna sing your line. So let's try and see if this works. And your toxicity wasn't